Today's date is August 10th, 2026. At 1349 Andrew, we've installed a 4-inch liner in the damaged cast iron piping between a PVC connection and the original liner. This is the original liner that we put in by another company. This is a 6-inch clay right here. So we're going to go ahead and record to come back from this point. Right here, this is where our liner begins. So this is the liner that we installed today at this point back. And right here is the PVC connection. You see where our liner ends right at the connection where the old cast iron and the PVC met. And this is the existing cast iron. Coming up the stack now. Now back out of the line. This concludes the videotaping of this sewer.